Hello everyone, hope you're all well. Apologies for the lack of videos recently. For those that didn't see the last community update I posted yesterday here on YouTube, we've recently just reopened our restaurant after a long hiatus and we're just trying to find our feet again. We'll be uploading some more cooking videos in the not too distant future. So you're probably wondering what this video is all about. Well, the winner of the knife giveaway a few weeks ago didn't want to provide his identification to me, required for me to confirm his age. So we've mutually agreed for the prize to be given away to someone else. All of the entries from the last giveaway will be entered again in today's draw. Again, I'm going to be using a random number generator and choosing the winner from the 368 entries from last time. So without further ado, let's pick today's winner. Let's enter number 1 and then 368. And the winner is number 63. And a huge congratulations to RSA 420. And he said, I'm from South Africa and my favourite dish from here is hands down oxtail potjie. I've actually just researched this dish myself and it looks absolutely incredible. Definitely my kind of food on a cold winter's night. A slow cooked oxtail stew cooked in a traditional cast iron pot or potjiekos over a coal fire. And I'm sorry to any South Africans out there if I've absolutely murdered that pronunciation. So well done again to RSA 420. All of the details on how to claim your prize can be found in the description box below. Thanks again to everyone that took part and I look forward to uploading another cooking video soon. Take care all, bye bye.